What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I'm Josh with JCS Customs. Thank you for clicking the thumbnail and tuning in today. So jumping straight into it. A few weeks ago, I installed and ramped up the security for my Camaro here, a Carlock device. Now, if you end up watching this video and you're interested in what Carlock is, go click that video up there and watch that installation and full review of the Carlock device. Not going to spend too much time on this, but the components of this video link up with the Carlock here. So today, courtesy of Carlock, we're going to be testing out the Carlock Tag 2.0 and the Carlock vibration sensor here. I got one tag and we have three sensors to talk about and install in the car. So let's go ahead and walk out to the car. So don't mind my dirty car here, but we have the extension cable plugged up. We are going to plug the device back in here. And basically this extension cable you can use to tuck it up and out of the way, find you a good spot. But for now we're going to just stick it right up here in this little slot we have. So here is our three sensors here and our one tag. So basically this is a vibration sensor. It's going to notify you via the Carlock app, but you know, it will pop up on your phone. You don't have to have the app open to get a notification. This is going to sense vibration in the car, so you can put these anywhere. You can put these in the door, the trunk, the engine bay. So yeah, anywhere that you think maybe a possible thief will access the car. And this here is a Carlock tag. So basically, this will activate and deactivate your Carlock system here within a proximity of the car. So that's pretty cool. We're going to add that to our keys here. These are waterproof. They have approximately a 1-year battery life here. They're super easy to change. It's like a 3-volt watch battery. Same for this one here. So yeah, let's go ahead and talk about how to pair these and where I'm going to decide to put mine and try them out. So I'm going to have to blur out my home here, but if you go to the information screen right here, you got Carlock security details. You can add an external sensor, so we're going to add that. And you see it's automatically got get vibration sensor and get Carlock tag. So we're going to turn on Carlock sensors and we're going to add So we're going to tap to grant the permission of the camera here. And we're just going to scan the QR code located on top of the Carlock tag or sensor. Here is one of our sensors. As you see on the back, it has a QR code. And I need to say each one of them comes with 3M, like a little 3M sticky pad as well. Or it's got these little slots right here where you can, looks like screw them in. So we, for now, are just going to attach the 3M. Let's go ahead and add these bad boys. So we got the QR code and we're going to scan it with our phone here. Get it to focus. Yep. So we can turn it on. It says unscrew the top, remove the plastic slip, screw the back on. Let's try that. Yep. There's a plastic little slip there. We're going to pull that out. That should activate it. Okay. And we're going to hit, I have turned on the sensor. Shake the sensor. Okay. Close that. Shake the sensor. It says every 3 seconds, shake the sensor. Okay, we detected it. Yep, see, there we go. It already let me know. So we're going to finish that. So we got this one. So off camera, I'm going to go ahead and add the other two sensors and I'll show the Carlock tag. So now we're going to add the tag here. Looks like the same process. Looks like I got it upside down. Shouldn't matter though. We're going to add the tag. Turn on the sensor. I've already removed the plastic clip in this one. Shake the tag. Oh, you got it already. Okay. Tag is in range of your phone. Alright. So, just see what manage here. Rename, test tag. Okay, so that's cool. You can rename these sensors. So if you want to rename this one, say, driver side door. That option is available to rename your sensors. We are going to place one of them down in the door right here. And I'm probably going to place the other one in the passenger door just in case. And then maybe one in the trunk. Or you can put it in your glove box, wherever you think, you know, you would need detection like that. And let's see, we can just discreetly, I should say, stick it right in there. And we have our passenger door here. So we have attached our car tag here on our keys. So basically when I approach the car, it should deactivate the CarLock device. And when I leave the car, it should activate the CarLock device. So we're going to test that out real quick. As I leave the car, let's see. Well, my backup camera died, but as you see, sucky timing on my camera dying, but it did lock the car and arm it. So, ESPN, it did lock the car there and arm it once I got a certain distance away from it. So, well, it's super bright out here, so it kind of sucks for visibility on the screen here. We're going to get close, and it unlocked it there. You see that? Disabled. Just by being close to it, guys. So to test the motion sensors on the car, I got my wife in the garage. I got the car armed, and I'm way back in the back end of the house. I'm going to get her to pull on the door handle a few times and to see if the sensors pick up the vibration and send a notification to the phone. As you can see, we are armed. So let's see. I told her to give me about 15 seconds. So should get a notification when it activates. Or senses, I should say, the vibration. Yeah, guys, if you end up liking the video, be sure to go check out the CarLock video that I posted a few weeks ago. And go check out these products here. Yeah. If you go back and watch the CarLock video, be sure to use the link provided down in the description and the pinned comment to get 10% off your CarLock. And yeah, so far it seems to be working great. I may move them, but right now we're going to work with the driver, passenger door, and the trunk here. Some people may put them in the engine bay, like I said, or in the glove box if you have some maybe some valuable stuff in there you want to monitor a little bit more closely, as the vibration sensor is more sensitive than the CarLock device itself. So yeah. And then you got the cool CarLock tag. Comes, you know, once you walk away from your car a certain distance, you will get a unique notification. It's got a certain sound to it. That way you know you don't have to check your phone. Nothing's going on. You know it's your CarLock tag there. So yeah. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned to the channel. Got more stuff coming down the pipe. Peace out.